Hey everyone! Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to diet. But don't worry. Today, I'll share a simple, beginner-friendly diet plan that's easy to follow and helps you kickstart a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why having a diet plan is important. A balanced diet gives your body the energy it needs, helps you lose weight or build muscle, and keeps you feeling your best. Remember, it's not about extreme restrictions, it's about sustainable habits. Now here's what your plate should look like. Protein. It helps build and repair muscles. Think chicken, eggs, tofu, or beans. Healthy carbs. These are your energy source. Go for whole grains, sweet potatoes, or brown rice. Veggies, packed with nutrients. Aim for a variety of colors. Healthy fats, essential for brain and heart health. Add nuts, seeds, or avocado to your meals. And of course, water, it's essential to stay hydrated. Alright, here's a simple one-day diet plan to get you started. For breakfast, a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and a spoonful of peanut butter. For a snack, a handful of mixed nuts or a banana. For lunch, grilled chicken or tofu with quinoa and steamed veggies. For another snack, Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. For dinner, baked salmon or lentil soup with a side of roasted vegetables. Feel free to adjust portion sizes based on your goals and activity level. Here are some tips to make sticking to your diet plan easier. Meal prep. Prepare your meals in advance to avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. Track your progress. Use a food diary or an app to stay accountable. Start small. Don't aim for perfection. Small, consistent changes lead to big results. And finally, stay flexible. Treat yourself occasionally. Balance is key. That's it for today's video. Remember, a healthy diet isn't about perfection, it's about making better choices every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.